had this cough all my life. I don't know. It's afflicted me from the time I was born. I don't know. Doctor, I've been trying to get rid of it, but it keeps on following me. No one in my family has this. Well, maybe a few members of my family have this affliction. Maybe. Oh. It's only like a minute and a half. Cough, 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 cough. Sounds like a tuberculous house.
I know. Well, it's awesome when we're out, too, because I can tell she'll look at me, and she'll start going, ah! Like right next to people at the store. I'm like,
Yes, my child was recently diagnosed with tuberculosis. Oh, good, I'm at the front of the line now. Wow. That works every time. Cough.
Oh.